In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the tools buttons in the toolbox on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top and then go down and select Preferences. On the left side, you want to expand the interface dropdown and select Toolbox. And then over here on the right side where it says Tools Configuration, if you want to hide any of them, you can just select it one time to uncheck or make it invisible, basically. And that's pretty much all you'd have to do. You would select the OK button to confirm any of those changes, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.